Hey first graders! Today we are going to be doing counting collections with something that you can find in your own home. So right now, think of something that you have in your home that's small that would be easy for you to count. Maybe it's your Legos, maybe you have a lot of LOL dolls, maybe it's something in the kitchen like dry beans or marshmallows. So today I'm going to count my paper clips because I have a lot of these where I live and they're pretty small and easy to count. I have a lot of them here though, and I could count them one by one, but this year in first grade we learned how to count by even bigger numbers so that we can count faster and so that we can also count and make sure we have the right amount each time. It's really easy to lose track when we count bigger numbers by ones. All right, let's get started.
So one way that we can count our paper clips is in groups of 5. So I'm going to start by putting mine in groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make sure these are put to the side away from other paper clips so that I can keep track of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4. So I don't have a whole group of 5 in my last one, so I'll have to remember that for when I'm counting at the end. So let's go ahead and count our groups of 5 together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And now, since we can't count a whole other group of 5, we have to count these one by one, starting from 55. So 56, 57, 58, 59. So I have a total of 59 paper clips. Now I've put the same paper clips into groups of 10. I didn't have enough in my last group to make 10, so I left them in a line as ones. So let's go ahead and count together by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 paper clips. That's the same amount that we counted last time, but this time we counted by groups of 10. If you're having a hard time keeping track of what you're counting and your groups just keep getting all mixed up, you can find something to put your items on or in to help them stay in groups. You can use paper plates, you can use paper cups, and Miss Lee doesn't have those things in where she lives, so I do have these cards, these paper cards. So this is what I'm going to use to set my paper clips on top of to help me keep track. So this will be one group of 10. So I'll count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I know that this is a group of 10. And then I can put out a new mat and keep this 10 separate. Now, after I've sorted my paper clips into groups of 10, and I want to count all of them, I don't have to go back and count them one by one, right? I don't have to go 1, 2, 3. I don't have to do that because I already know that this is how many. That's right. we already know that this is 10 because we already counted this group. So now we can count them by tens. 10, 20.
So now first graders, it's your turn to count. Whatever you thought of in the beginning of the video, now's the time to go ahead and go get that and bring it to somewhere like a table or the carpet where you can count them. Get anything else that you think you might need to help you count, like Miss Lee's cards that she used. Maybe you want to get cups, maybe you want to get plates, anything that's going to help you keep track of your groups. We're excited to hear about what you found in your home to count, how many you counted, and how you counted them.